In this episode of Stecker Studios, we review how to post to your Seesaw Learning Journal. You want to open up the app. For students, it's the Seesaw Learning Journal app. Now push the plus sign. On this screen, you're going to press Photo, and this should access your camera. Try to align as best you can your artwork to fill the frame. Hold the camera steady, and take your picture. Now we can edit it. Click the plus sign and it'll take us to the editing screen. To rotate your image, click on the hand icon and then the rotate image icon that pops up. Now you can hit the check mark to save, and in the next screen you should be able to select your activity or to post it to your journal. Now that our photo is uploaded, we can add our journal post by clicking comment and then typing in our response to the journal prompts. This process can be completed in a very similar way on any laptop or even a Chromebook. Just make sure that you're fully logged in so that way you can access the computer's camera. To finish, click Post and wait for the teacher to approve your response. If you notice any mistakes, hit the Edit button, fix the orientation as described earlier, or make any changes that you need. That's it. Thank you for watching Stecker Studios. Please like and subscribe.